Greetings to all. This is Satyaraj from PG Research Department of Mathematics, Government Arts College, Karur. We are going to conduct an online workshop on effective documentation using LaTeX. This is a hands-on training, so you may use this from 25th to 30th May 2020. This is the objectives of the workshop. You may log into the website www.latexproject.org and may know the various aspects of the LaTeX. This graph shows how LaTeX is differed from Word depending upon the complexity of the document. This is organizing committee. These people are ready to provide lectures on this workshop. You may click faculty and see the list of all faculties of our department. They are contributing some discussions to this workshop. Those who can participate in this workshop are listed as here. There is no restriction on age, education, anything. There is no registration fee. Only thing, you have to do all the assignments. This is because this is only outcome based workshop. So to register, just click here. There will be a registration link. You fill it and submit it. Thank you.